Alex here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today you can see we're in the vehicle, and that's because we're at the post office to pick up our first on-site bees. We got 2 packages of bees coming in, so we're gonna grab them here at the post office. They called us like 7:30 this morning to come grab them and take them home. Got our site set up. We're just gonna put the hives out on the sites, get them leveled, get the bees in there. Go from there. Should be simple, right? Let's see how this day goes. Alright, well, we got our package of bees here. It is a little chilly out, so that's why they're all being nice and chill. Alright, let's get these guys home in their hive. And as you saw earlier, we just picked up 2 bee packages from, I was going to say the bee store, but it's not. It's what's it called? Post office. They called this morning, said they got them in. So I got up, got dressed, went there and get them. We got our places here. We got everything leveled. This is only the second time I've ever put in a package. I've also only done 1 package before this. I got a couple frames pulled already from each of the hives. Got my hive tool. Got some thumbtacks. That's gonna be to put the queen in. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna pop these 2 things apart here. I'm not trying to work with 2 of these at the same time. They're just simply nailed on. Nothing bad, it seems. Bottom one's going to be a little bit more difficult. Luckily, the path tool works great. All right, there's that one. It feels like. The bees are starting to warm up, so I want to be a little careful. Oh, made a mad on that one.
Let's see that house second.
There we go. Now we need to get our queens out.
You need to be careful.
So to do that, same process up here. Oh, trying to rip the board.
Those are the mad bees. Gonna come after you and steal your pants.
Alright, so inside of here we just have that tin can, so we're not letting anybody go yet.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Like the cameraman thought.
Hey, I'm not a man, I'm a girl.
Camera woman thought.
Oh, look, there's a bee.
Not that there's a difference.
It's not our bee, but it's a bee.
Yeah, that's what's called a freebie.
Yeah.
Both funnily and, like, that's actually what they call it apparently.
Oh.
They smell the queen and they show up.
Oh,
they're like, hey, is there a good thing is, that means there's...
So they're gonna join? Would they join the colony?
Could they? Yes. Will they? Probably not.
Okay. Go back to their original hive.
Yeah. So right now we got that going on. What am I looking for? We need to pry this, get that can out of there.
Without letting the bees out.
Without letting the bees out. I think this is going to be one of the hardest things to do. Alright, so if anybody's got a good trick on this, let me know. Should I just be using needle nose pliers instead of a hive tool, I guess?
They are not happy. Oh!
Only a few got out. There's a canister with some food.
Some of the bees got out. I guess they're just going to be freebies. The bad
here's our
view.
queen. Their little candy box.
I'm scared to get
Candy's
closer.
on this side, so this is the side
You can't see nothing.
that I want up. Also, you got to remove the cork.
I have
There's a little
nothing.
cork right here. You're fine.
You're good.
There's a little cork right here. We're going to pop that out. And then this, we're going to switch to the other side.
But at least they're not mad at me.
Right.
They shouldn't sting me. Shouldn't. See why I'm terrified of bees now. This is the most scared of bees I've ever been.
Alright, we got the cork out. It's a little piece of string.
I'm glad you have the vest.
I have what?
The vest?
Like something to wear?
Yeah. That protects you from the bees because they're all mad at you.
Yep. Are there a bunch on me?
No, there's only a few. And most of them are just on the queen. Don't make them mad.
Let me look at our queen. Alright, she is marked with the white piece there. See her in there, we see the block of candy.
Can't really
So we're gonna
see
do
much.
Candy up is what I've been told. One of the things I've been told or whatever.
I know
That's what
how
we're
to
going to go
approach.
with. Where's my little...
Oh gosh, there's so many bees. And that's not even the bees, not even all the bees. I'm already terrified.
Got our little tack. Oh, probably shouldn't drop her.
Yeah, no, she's not going to be happy about that.
Sorry about that, Queenie.
Queenie. You know what? It would be fun to name the queen bee.
Alright, so that's going to hang her in place there. And now, what do you want to do? Soak the bees down a little bit?
But they're already mad at you.
Just a little bit of sugar water for them. It's supposed to help them
Calm down.
calm down.
The rest of these bees need that. Oh gosh, there's so many bees.
Them coated a little bit.
I've gotten.
Not much, but not too much, they say. Alright, that's in there.
Yeah, we haven't done the second box.
We're going to put these bees in this hive, hopefully.
No, they're all just going to explode. It's going to all explode. Oh god. No. I just want to run. I hear so many bees passing my ear. Alice, they don't care about me. I'm just here.
Alright. Got them in there. Put this in the entrance.
Was I here for the last time you did this? I don't remember it being so scary. Oh yeah, that's right. I wasn't so close. They should all go in the hive, right? Where the queen is.
Alright, there we go. One down, one to go. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Yes, it was. It was very bad.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, and this is why I'm so... Okay, good job. You only let 2 bees out. 3. You only let 3 bees out instead of an entire horde.
Instead of a horde?
Yeah. This looks like what they would go whenever they're all traveling in, like, groups to go get flowers. I don't actually know if that's true. Next time we come down here, I want my own bees because I'm scared. Oh gosh. I'm hoping if I just hold still, they don't see me as a threat.
Hey, if you hold still, they won't see you.
Okay.
All right, queen's alive. She looks good in here.
You know what? I want to name the 2 queens we have.
All right.
The one queen in the...
Beatrice and Gertrude?
No. Actually, Beatrice is a good name. That one's Beatrice.
It is actually, isn't it?
Yes. So I like the name Queenie that you give the hive.
Beatrice and Queenie?
Yeah. The Queenie is the one that lives in the one with the pointed roof.
All right, so we got to pull this candy out again. Far away.
I don't want to be so close to the bees.
All right, so here's our second hive. I don't know if you can see it from way over there.
Yeah, they can see it.
Okay.
They can see the hive.
Put the queen in here. Dangle and hang out right there. All right. Let's give these guys a little water.
Glad I didn't wear black.
Huh?
So I'm glad I didn't wear black.
No.
I kind of forgot bees don't like black. I thought I was trying to wear black pants today too. Oh boy. I would have bees all over my legs. But I didn't wear black, so that's a good thing. I have a decently dark bluish color. My shirt. So bees, they shouldn't hurt it, right? They wouldn't hurt a fellow bee, right?
Alright, you ready?
Well, I don't know why, but it's kind of satisfying watching them all fall out. Then do I run for my life? Actually, I don't think running for my life is a good idea. Oh my gosh, there's so many bees next to me. I'm sorry for the bad filming. I'm just very scared. Why are you brushing the bees?
I'm going to go ahead and put in
You're going to have to help me leave.
both these if I can.
This is the most I've been scared since the new year. This is the most I've been scared this year. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm attempting to film.
Okay, kiddo.
No, I'm not. There's so many bees.
I'm almost done.
Good. I'm gonna help me leave.
You had a single bee touch you?
I did have some very close ones, and one almost got in my hair. But no, not a single one, or at least I don't think a single bee has touched me. Or not from what I can see. I can't believe this right now.
Can't believe what?
I can't believe I'm so scared. Actually, I can believe that I'm scared.
I'm surprised you're not more scared, right?
No. Oh, gosh. How do I leave? How do I leave?
You go.
No, I can't.
What? Alright. There's our 2. Bring that other canister over here. Yeah. Answer inducers are on. They're already going in. I can see over there. Over here. Yep, they're going in and out. So let them do their thing. Hopefully they'll all find their way into the hive. We'll be good. We'll come back and check on them in a few days.